Did you know January is National Stalking Month, and we want to bring awareness to an issue that's been in the news lately. People being followed through those small tracking devices that you use to find misplaced items.
Yeah, it's scary. So we actually talked to technology expert Burton Kelso from Integral Computer Services to learn more about how these devices work and how we can protect ourselves.
Burton, we are so happy to have you here, and there has been this onslaught, I feel like, of stories with these AirTags and these SmartTags and people being stalked. I mean, it's super scary. Let's start with what these AirTags, SmartTags are, for those that don't know.
Well, the original purpose of Apple's AirTags and Samsung's SmartTags is it allows you to track your personal items. So if you have a problem of keeping track of your purse, your phone, even your car keys in your wallet, you can insert an AirTag or a SmartTag on that device and then use your smartphone to locate that item. The thing with AirTags and SmartTags is that under normal circumstances, they use Bluetooth technology, which means that up to 500 feet, you would be able to easily find that lost item.
But the problem now is people are taking advantage, right?
Right, exactly. It used to be with old technology with stalkers, you would have to spend a lot of money to get the devices in order to track someone, like an abusive partner or a stalker would use those expensive items to track their victims. But now with the SmartTags and AirTags, for as low as $25, you could buy a SmartTag or an AirTag and place it anywhere on a person. And that way the stalker or the abusive partner can just easily use their smartphone to track anybody anywhere in the world.
It sounds scary. Like, what should we be looking for? Have people like put them underneath cars, or like they just drop it in your purse when you're not looking?
Yes, they can definitely attach a SmartTag to your car. They can drop it into your purse or pocket. But yeah, those items are so small and lightweight that the average person would not know that they would have a SmartTag or an AirTag on their person.
Yeah, how often do we clean out our purses or backpacks or whatever? Okay,
Search
so
your car.
How do we know? I know with the news story, the woman got an alert on her phone, right? So how do we know what should we do if we get an alert like that?
Right. So the good thing about the AirTags and the SmartTags is that both Apple and Samsung have enabled features that if you have an unknown SmartTag or an AirTag on you, your smartphone will alert you, but you have to go into the settings on your phone and make sure that that feature is turned on. So that way, if you have a SmartTag that doesn't belong to you, that you can be alerted with your phone.
Just overall protecting ourselves with the way the technology is, what advice do you have of just making sure we are aware? I mean, technology is great, but there are many things that it can be dangerous as well.
Right. So I think one of the things before you purchase these items, you need to know how technology works. Now, on the outside with the SmartTag and an AirTag, it says that it uses Bluetooth technology. And like I said earlier, Bluetooth only goes up to 500 feet. But with Apple's AirTag and Samsung's SmartTags, these devices piggyback onto other Apple devices and Samsung devices. So that way it can locate your personal item. Now, knowing that, more people would probably not get a SmartTag or an AirTag, but research definitely helps so that you know what you're getting into. Obviously, if you find a SmartTag and or AirTag on you, you want to alert law enforcement because these items have identifiers on them. So if you have a stalker or you find one, you obviously want to remove the battery and then also contact law enforcement, and then they can find out who the SmartTag belongs to.
Burton, thank you so much. So much to take in and do now to protect ourselves.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
And I clarified with Burton, so if you have an Apple phone, right, but somebody puts a Samsung tracker on you, your phone won't detect it. So you do have to download the Bluetooth tracking apps for either phone, so it'll detect the others.
So it's not just a switch on, download something and it will tell you.
Right.
Okay,
but it's good to protect yourself.